Yes. Well, I heard my learned colleague speaking about law and the provisions of the constitution. So many things have been said by so many MPs while taking oath. And what Asad Owaisi Saab said? He said, Jai Mim, Jai Bhim, Jai Telangana, Jai Philistine and Takbir, Allahu Akbar. Now, if they feel it is unconstitutional, let them go, we will deal with it, because we have also read the constitution and very well versed with the provisions of the constitution. But my learned friend has forgot to mention the name of the Bareilly member of parliament, whose name is Chhatrapal Gangwar. What did he say? Jai Hindu Rashtra. Is it constitutional? Owaisi said something, the remarks have been removed. They have been expunged from the record. But what about the remarks made by this MP? Why not? Why they have not been removed? Is the and I would like to ask BJP as well as the Learned Council and the Prime Minister Modi, whether do they believe that India is a Hindu Rashtra? If not, then what action has been taken against Gangwar? Have they removed the remarks? No. So you say everything is okay. But if we say something, and not only Owaisi, earlier Mahatma Gandhi has supported Palestine and Gaza. Vajpayee has supported Philistine's cause in Gaza. Not only that, I will quote Jai Shankar, S. Jai Shankar, the External Minister of India. In the Rajya Sabha, he said so. If Pranesh, you allow me to play this record, it's just a few seconds. I will be grateful to you, Pranesh. And it is, Vishnu must also listen to this. Then only he will come to know that what is the exact mean is. Zara isko nazdik la boss.
नहीं आप उसको अपने माइक के पास ले जाइए, माइक के पास, वारिस भाई माइक के पास रखिए.
We support, sir, a two-state.
हाँ लेके आया माइक के पास.
We want a two-state solution with the two states living peacefully side by side. Some of the members suggested somewhere that our support or empathy for the Palestinians had changed. In fact, our financial support for the Palestinian Refugee Welfare Agency has gone up in the tenure of this government. I hope that honorable members would.
Right, point noted. Point noted. It's a matter of fact, Waris bhai, what you're saying is a matter of fact. India has on numerous occasions sent aid to Palestine. But can that be a no? Can that be a defense? But can that be a defense? Because Vishnu Jain is clearly saying that what Owaisi has done falls foul of Article 102. Mr. Jain.
That will be decided.
Yeah, see, let me just clarify and elaborate it. If any member of the parliament, let me clarify it. If any member of parliament says Jai Nepal, Jai Bangladesh, Jai Sri Lanka, Jai Russia, Jai USA, it is completely unconstitutional. It is in violation of Article 102. We are not talking about, see, I have not challenged Mr. Owaisi saying Allahu Akbar, Takbir and other parts of his Quranic verses. I am not challenging it. What we are challenging is Jai Philistine. And because Pradesh, if we do not stop it today, let me tell you, one day will come in the Parliament of India.
No, but let me ask you this. 1 minute, gentlemen, one at a time, please. Vishnu Jain, you're making a very strong argument. But why do you think Owaisi said Jai Palestine, Jai Philistine, his words? Why did he say this?
See the adherence and allegiance of Mr. Owaisi is very clear. The cat is out of the bag. The adherence and allegiance and acknowledgement of Mr. Owaisi is towards Palestine, and he said so by saying Jai Palestine. And today also the spokesperson of AIMM.
You have not replied to my point. Why Jai Hindu Rashtra is allowed? How does that become constitutional?
That we will prove it that Jai Philistine is unconstitutional.
No, you are making false and business allegations. You will fall flat on that, and we are not afraid of such kind of allegations.
Waris bhai, 1 minute. To the question that you are asking, I just want to read out the rule quickly. And then I'll bring Vishnu Jain. In fact, Vishnu wants to, Vishnuji, you want to respond to what he's asking? It's a direct question.
See, yes.
He is not
I'm answering the direct question. If someone says we want to make Ghazwa Hind, if you will not allow me to finish, how will I answer it?
No, what about
वारिस भाई उनको बोलने तो दीजिए, आपने सवाल पूछा, उनको बोलने दीजिए. 1 मिनट, वारिस भाई उनको बोलने दीजिए, जवाब ले लेते हैं.
See, if someone is saying Jai Hindu Raj, someone is saying Chhatrapati Shivaji ki Jai, someone is saying Har Har Mahadev, someone is saying Allah Akbar, Takbir, someone is saying that we want to convert this country into Ghazwa Hind, that is all different. So far as the purview of Article 102 is concerned, which I am talking about, 102(1)(d), it is very, very clear that you cannot show adherence or allegiance to a foreign state. Please read it, Mr. Waris Pathan. Article
How is
102. You cannot show adherence or allegiance to a foreign state. So if you are saying Jai Nepal, if you are saying Jai Bangladesh, if you are saying Jai Sri Lanka, all this is unconstitutional.
Okay, let's hear the other side. Let's hear the other side. Vishnu Jain, your point noted. Waris Pathan, I don't think you are understanding what Vishnu Jain is trying to say. He is saying you can lend your support to Palestine, Nepal, Sri Lanka, what have you, Pakistan, any other country. But you can't do what Owaisi has done by saying in parliament while taking oath, Jai Philistine. That is a violation. Supporting a country is not a problem.
Does it become unconstitutional?
You can talk about the foreign policy. Yeah.
How does it? No, in Parliament itself, I am talking about Parliament. In both the houses,
Pranav,
the issue of Palestine was
Pranesh,
raised.
you have
And
to
not
talk
only
about
that, as
it.
Jaishankar, I just now played the clip. I just now played the clip of S. Jaishankar, the external minister. What is India's stand vis-a-vis Palestine and Gaza? What does he have to say? Is he not speaking going against the country? Is he not going against the official stand of the country vis-a-vis Palestine and Gaza? He is anti-national. He is going against the country's stand. He is going against what Mahatma Gandhi said.
Waris Bhai, this is not about.
He is going against what
This is
Jaishankar said.
no.
Our country's stand is
Waris
clear.
Bhai, listen.
Our country's stand is clear. But
No, Waris Bhai, this is not about lending your support to a country. It is not that. Let me read out Rule 102. 1 minute. This is excerpt from Article 102 of the Constitution. Disqualifications for membership. A person shall be disqualified for being chosen as and for being a member of either House of Parliament if he is not a citizen of India or has voluntarily acquired the citizen of a foreign state or is under any acknowledgement of allegiance or adherence to a foreign state. Vishnu Jain says that this act of saying Jai Philistine
As Jaishankar
violates Article 102.
Our country is supporting Palestine and Gaza. If you
But
go
he
by
did not say this.
If you go by this, kindly interpret it properly, Pradesh. Kindly interpret this. Even I have got this section 1 provisions, Article 102 with me. What did he say? India's stand is very, very clear. If their country is supporting Palestine and Gaza and you are calling us unconstitutional, I will deal with it. But Vishnu Jain, kindly tell me whether the country is Hindu Rashtra as stated by the MP while taking the oath, and what steps have you taken against him?
Why don't you file a complaint? Why don't you use the provisions of Article 102?
No, not yet. So you say everything. You say
Waris Bhai, nobody is stopping you from filing a complaint. Vishnu Jain is saying precisely that.
We will defend
Who is
ourselves.
stopping you? Who is stopping you?
Why don't you file then? If you are so much worried about the country,
See,
you should
He is object. You can't. No. 1 minute. You can't dictate him where to file a complaint, what to object to. If you have a problem, you should file a complaint.
File a complaint against. Sir, we will deal with that. We will deal with that. We will deal with that.
And let the hearing happen before the Election Commission of India. I challenge Mr. Owaisi. If he is a barrister, I challenge Mr. Owaisi. Come before the Election Commission of India and we'll prove it that chanting Jai
Why don't you go and
Philistine
lodge
in
a
the
complaint
Parliament of
against
India
them?
is unconstitutional.
Merely